Duncan Aviation's high-quality standards and unmatched customer service carry through every aspect of the business. Whether at the company's main MRO facilities or at our numerous satellite locations, the avionics installation and instrument technicians at Duncan Aviation are highly trained and have dozens of years of experience troubleshooting, repairing, installing, and upgrading most major flight deck and cabin avionics systems. Duncan Aviation is an authorized dealer for the major avionics equipment manufacturers and has extensive experience installing these systems into a variety of business aircraft models, certifying many solutions through our FAA-approved ODA. Today's business aircraft passengers value in-flight productivity, requiring them to stay connected to what's happening on the ground. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi for wireless networks to use with carry-on devices such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops. When it comes to NextGen initiatives and what it takes to be compliant, our avionics experts will advise you on what your aircraft needs to fly as safely and efficiently as possible. You will have peace of mind knowing that your aircraft is compliant with an upgrade and/or installation performed by Duncan Aviation. As aircraft age and the safety infrastructure is modernized, many aircraft avionics systems are facing obsolescence. If you're in doubt about the safety and efficacy of your equipment, you will want to get an accurate assessment of your avionics equipment needs. We have also installed flight inspection systems in several different platforms through our government contracts program. There are very few integrators capable of installing FIS in aircraft, but Duncan Aviation can perform the installation and produce the necessary certification and civil authority validation for most countries. You'll avoid the hassle of paperwork as we handle any warranty claims and OEM extended service programs. As a Duncan Aviation customer, you will have full access to all the services and support offered through Duncan Aviation's 3 MRO facilities. Our services are further expanded to include support for aircraft registered with international civil aviation authorities. During times of critical, casual, or remote location needs, Duncan Aviation is nearby to keep you flying.